I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable crypto trading on Robinhood, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Download and install the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Robinhood app on your device. You can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Create or log into your account. Open the app and either log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Step 3. Enable crypto trading. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the option to enable crypto trading and toggle it on. This may require you to agree to additional terms. Step 4. Fund your account. To start trading, you need to deposit funds into your Robinhood account. Go to the transfer section and link your bank account if you haven't done so already. A quick note, sometimes linking your bank account can take a few days for verification, so plan accordingly. Step 5. Start trading. Once your account is funded, go to the crypto section of the app. You can browse available cryptocurrencies and start trading by selecting the one you want to buy or sell. I hope this helps you get started with crypto trading on Robinhood. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy trading!